Black mamba. Some review keywords are pursue, which means to follow or chase something. Cornered, which means trapped in a difficult position or unable to escape. Avoid, which means to stay away from. And ability, which is the power to do something. In Africa, where the black mamba lives, there are many frightening stories about this deadly snake. Some stories say it uses its tremendous speed to chase people for miles. Others claim it can stand on its tail and rise as high as a person's head. Still, others say it plans attacks on humans by going into their homes. These stories are all inaccurate, but it's easy to see how they originated. The black mamba is indeed fast. It can move at speeds of over 10 miles per hour. But this snake does not pursue people. Actually, it tries to avoid humans. The black mamba generally uses its speed to flee from enemies. A black mamba can elevate a third of its body off the ground. This ability does not mean it can stand as tall as a person. Most black mambas are about 9 feet long, so they can raise their bodies about 3 feet. When people construct houses in the black mamba's habitat, the snake sometimes finds its way inside. It isn't planning an attack, but it may bite a person if it feels cornered. Unless the person receives treatment, the black mamba's venom can kill in less than an hour. Stories may exaggerate this snake's abilities. Still, it is clear why people fear the black mamba.